siya. Maybe we can get something to eat there in the shopping center, man. Should be alright. Or you want McDonald's? I don't know. So we are just in the shopping center now. Magsha-shopping, kakain. If we can get the parking. There's a Kmart there. Shopping muna kami ngayon. Oh, that lady was in the church. I think. Or just look like.
Yeah, all people the same.
Yeah. Maggagastos ako ngayon. It's so spend my husband money time. Shopping time. Yeah, maybe we can get, we saw something there we can eat.
Yeah.
We'll just go there. So, pagkatapos namin ng church, ay shopping and breakfast. Thank you for watching, guys.